When you're doing marbling design, you need to use this little piece of paper so that the ink drops float on the surface. So you just want to drop one little drop on top of this paper. Usually, oh, there it goes, and you see it kind of gets onto the surface. If you put ink directly into the water, it will just sink down and it won't get to go on the paper. So you just want to drip it here at the edges like that. See how that goes all over the place? And if the little circle of paper goes off to the side, oopsie, you see that one went down. Drops come out pretty fast. You just need to aim for that little dot. You can take a paintbrush or this little stick here and just kind of move it back to the middle. You don't ever want to touch the surface of the ink until you're ready to dip your paper in. So you always want to get it on that circle so that it just stays on the surface. How lovely. And then you have a lot of choices when you're ready to make it get mixed up. You can blow on it, and it makes that ripply thing. You could also take a little stick or a toothpick and like kind of drag it gently in the surfaces of the water. Move that dot out of the way, and when it kind of looks interesting and the water is good and still, you take your paper, gently submerge it. It's good to use a stick or a brush and get all the corners in. You don't have to even get the top of the water in. And look how beautiful. And that's your marbling art.